Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Okay, now we see trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In this list today we will see about 0 degrees angles. 0 degrees. That means you are going to know about sin 0 degrees, cos 0 degrees, tan 0 degrees, cosecant 0 degrees, secant 0 degrees and cot 0 degrees. Clear? So first, what is meant by 0 degrees? 0 degrees means what? For example, if I ask you, do you have money? Yes, I have 0 money. What is the meaning of 0 money?
No money.
No money. Suppose if you say, yes, I have 10 rupees with me, then you are having 10 rupees. 1 rupee means 1 rupee. 0 rupees means no rupee. Same here, 0 degrees means no angle. Now we see how to get this situation. Actually, we apply right angle, we apply all the angles for a right angle triangle, right? So let us consider a right angle triangle. Name it as, for example, let us take this as A, it is B, it is C. Right angled at B. Earlier we have seen, if it is 60 degrees, then what happens? Here the figure looks like this. For example, if it is 45 degrees, then around it may come like this. This is of 45 degrees. Then the point C comes to this place. Is it clear? If it is 30 degrees, then it may be of like this. This point C comes to this place. As the angle is getting reduced, the height of the opposite side will be getting reduced. Did you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Here, if you reduce the angle, automatically here the opposite side also will be reduced. Height of the opposite side will be reduced. Here you do understand. Suppose here C comes from this position to this position. Then here its size, what about its size? AC, for example, if you bring this side, if you bring AC down, then you understand the position of C will be coming here, but not here. Until and unless if you cut this part, then the C comes here only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here, if you bring C still more down, then C will be here. Hope you are understanding?
Yes,
See here, this will be the new position of C and this will be the new position of C now. As we are reducing the angle here, the position of C will be coming in this way. That means C will be coming here. Is it clear?
Yes,
By the time here we are applying all the angles for a right angle triangle. If you fix the B here, then what happens? Then ABC will be in this shape. So this will not be a right angle triangle. This will be an obtuse angle triangle. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here if C comes here, then the triangle will be like this. So again this will be an obtuse angled triangle. But here in our syllabus we are dealing with the angles which are linked with right angle triangle. So here what we need to do, we have to extend the position of B according to the position of C. For example, C comes here, immediately we need to move B from this point to this point. That means AB will be extended. Is it clear? Same way here, if C comes here, then B will be coming here. Similarly, if C falls, immediately who will come there? B will come there. Is it clear? That means here we need to understand that here AB and AC will be equal when there is no angle. Did you understand my point?
Yes,
So here let us draw it some more clearly once again. Here this is BC, this is AB, this is A, B and C. Here you need to understand that when there is no angle can be shown. See, here only AB. On the same AB, AC also will come. This is the meaning of there is no angle, that is called 0 degrees. Here 0 degrees will come, which is not visible at all, because that is 0 degrees, there is no angle. At the same time here C and B, both of them, they coincide each other. So B and C, both of them, they coincide each other. Did you understand? Here B and C both are not different, both are equal. Right? Now here you tell me, in this case, for example, if I take this hypotenuse as K, then here AC will be K. At the same time, since C equal to B, AB is also K. Is it clear? Then what about BC? BC, is it there? It is not there. Then here what is the opposite side? It is not there. It is 0. Opposite side is 0. So here let us write the data. Here the opposite side, when theta is equal to 0 degrees, then opposite side, that is BC, is not there, its value is 0. Are you following me?
Yes,
same way, adjacent side, that is called AB, that already coincides with AC, because C coincides with B. Therefore, since AC is K, AB is also K. And what about hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC, that is also K. Clear? Now we are going to write the values of each trigonometric ratio, that is sin theta is equal to, what is the formula? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. In short I am writing HYP. Same way, what is the formula of cos theta? Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Here I replace theta with 0 degrees. So sin 0 degrees equal to, same way, cos 0 degrees equal to, next what will come? Tan 0 degrees is equal to formula? Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Clear? So here this is for what? Tan 0 degrees. Same way, cosecant 0 degrees. Yes, cosecant 0 degrees is reciprocal of sine, that is hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. Same way, secant 0 degrees, hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. And last one, that is cot theta, means cot 0 degrees equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. So here you need to understand that since opposite side is 0, wherever you get opposite side in numerator, that value will be 0. I repeat once again, since opposite side is 0, you keep focus on this. Since opposite side is 0, wherever you have in this formula opposite side in the numerator, that will be 0. So here where you have, this is in numerator, so this is 0 by hypotenuse is K, 0 by anything is 0. Same way here where opposite side is here. Clear? So this is also 0 by adjacent side is K, 0 by anything is 0. Here opposite side is nowhere, it is in numerator. If it is in denominator, then any number by 0 will be not defined or infinite. So here where opposite side in denominator? Here hypotenuse, here opposite side is denominator. So here we can write this as K by 0. This is called not defined. This is not defined, or we can say infinite also. Same way here opposite side denominator. So here we can write this is adjacent side is K, K by 0. This is also not defined. This is not defined, or we can write infinite also. So now still what are left? Cos 0 degrees and secant 0 degrees. Cos z is formula. Adjacent side by? What is adjacent side? K. Hypotenuse also. So here what will come? K by K. On simplification you will get 1. Same way, secant 0 also. Hypotenuse is K. And adjacent side is K. K by K is 1. Is there anything left? No. So finally let us see. Sin 0 degrees 0. Cos 0 degrees 1. Tan 0 degrees 0. Cosecant 0 degrees not defined. Secant 0 degrees 1. Cot 0 degrees not defined. Here you see 0, 1, 0. Not defined, 1 not defined. Is it clear? So shall we test ourselves? Are you able to see the answers? Okay. Tell me now. Sin 0 degrees 0. Cos 0 degrees 1. Tan 0 degrees 0. 0, 1, 0 over. Now cosecant 0 degrees not defined. Secant 0 degrees 1. Cot 0 degrees not defined. Any doubt? Good. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.